guys, now this is just a quick little tips and tricks video. I started transforming all of my green disgusting paint into this nice rustic, or not rustic, but dirty looking grass in my yard area. And pretty much how I did it was, this was all, as you can see right there, it was all that really bright green, and now it's this dark mushy thing, which is what it's supposed to look like in a freight yard. So the way I did it was, I put down this bright stuff, let it dry. I let it dry completely. I put down a coat of this brown paint. I'm not sure if you could see that. And then once I put that all down here, I took this green paint and I dabbed it on top of it so that then it all mush in to make one not disgusting, but mushy, ucky look. And I think that's alright for urban areas. It's a little brighter than down here where I have another little murky area on the edge of a yard by all my sidings. And down here, just in the rural area, I have that too. And I did it, down here, these two sides, I used that same paint there, but I mixed it up in a little pan or tray. And then I put it down like that. I was going to dab it down. I was going to dab down or put a whole coat down of brown paint like that, let that dry, and then dab green on it. Then just throw some shrubs there, and that will look like grass is trying to grow. But then I experimented with this little corner over here. I'm not sure if you can see that because of the light. But that looks pretty good. So that's just another little tips and tricks for you guys. If you want to see more of these, just let me know, because I think I have a whole lot of ideas for scenery in this yard. Let me know, like and subscribe, comment, and I'll see you later.